Hello, Algebra 1. Today we're going to start Unit 1, which Unit 1 is going to be called Representing Functional Relationships. And to kick off our Unit 1, we're going to just talk about relations in this lesson. So here's the definition of relation. It is a pairing of numbers from one set, which we call the domain, with numbers in another set, which we call the range. And there's many ways to represent a relation. One way, since it says it's a pairing of numbers, might be what we call a mapping. And in a mapping, there's my set, that's my domain. Here's my set, that's my range, and so then I'd have numbers in here. And so my pairing is maybe 1 goes to 4, and maybe 2 goes to 2, and 3 goes to 6, and 4 goes to 8. So that is my pairing there. So this would be my domain, and this would be my range. Now another way to represent that same set would be as ordered pairs. So if we take what we just put in this mapping, this first ordered pair that started with 1 is going to be 1, 4. And then we went 2, 2. So I'm starting with the number on the left, so 3, 6. And can you get the last one there? Another way to represent a relation is with a table. So I can use these same numbers, okay, and we call this is a table also called a T-chart. And so now I'm going to introduce though two variables. I'm going to introduce an X and a Y. Because if you remember from an ordered pair, that's what these are, right? X's and Y's. So then my table is 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 6, and 4, 8. And that's my table. So let's quickly write a definition for domain and range. So we've talked about them. So the easiest definition is probably domain is what values? It's the X values. Okay. And then our range is our Y values. And if you're going to do a real life situation, you might also include that your X values are your independent. So if you're doing like an experiment, that's what you get to pick. It's your independent variable. And then your Y value is your dependent. It's the one that's going to depend on what you pick for your independent. All right, we will progress from here in class. Have a good day.